Did you know you can make these fluffy bao buns at home? It's very simple. You take all the wet ingredients and mix. And then you take all the dry ingredients and you mix. And then you put the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix again. And the dough is ready. Put some oil in, cover it, and we wait. Tick tock, tick tock. Wow, look at that. It's amazing. Then you take a little bit of the dough, roll it, and cut it into a nice circle. And then when you have it all ready, you put some oil in, rub it, fold it, just lightly roll it again, and put it in your steamer. And when you have it all ready, we wait again. Tick tock, tick tock. And then we put it in our steamer and we steam it. Look at that, it's amazing. Come back to see the stuffing recipe tomorrow.